I love lights. I'm a sucker for lights. So for show and tell today, I got lights. Smart LED floodlights by a company called Ustellar. If at any point you're super interested in these lights, there'll be a link down below in the video's description. Here's everything that was in the box. I did struggle a little bit to get these on. With an iPhone, it was really easy, but mine is an Android. I did try it on iPhone and on Android. So with iPhone, it separates the 2.4 gigahertz network from the other one. With this one, there was an additional step. I think I just spit. I did, I made a little bubble. Oh, that's cute. But you do need the 2.4 gigahertz one for this to work. Once you got the app, you plug the lights in and they should be flashing red. If they're not, then what you do is you unplug it, wait a couple seconds, plug it back in, unplug it, wait a couple seconds, plug it back in, repeat 3 times, and then they should be flashing red. After that, make sure that the Bluetooth is on your phone. Go to the app and add the device. So that's how you pair it. The Wi-Fi signal receiving module is built right into that very first light. So there's no buttons or anything to push to pair it. It's just in there. And you do have to make sure that that very first light is no further than 65 feet away from your router. So that's about 20 meters. And that's it, then you're good to go. So I'm gonna switch on over to the app and play with the lights a little bit before I go and install them outside. And by install them, I mean put them on the stakes that they come with and jam them into the ground. I'm in the app. So currently I'm in the steady light mode. So they're not blinking, they're not doing anything. That is an option on here, but I'm gonna go over this one first. So here, you can select whatever color and you can dim it too. Ooh, maybe not that much. A little brighter. You can slide it, you can click on it, and it changes it to whatever color you want on this rainbow. Or if you don't really like the rainbow, this option right here separates them out a little bit more. I'm all thumbs. I'm gonna go back to this. If I want to change the individual colors, I'm gonna click on that. And then I'm gonna do red and green for Christmas because that's coming up. It's in a few days. So the first one, I want red. The next one, green. The next one, red. So I guess it's already red, so I don't need that. Green, green. If I go to this one here, there's a whole bunch of preset modes. This here is Christmas Rainbow. It's red and green alternating, even though on here it shows a bunch of different colors. It's red and green. There's Flow, Rainbow, Chase, and there's a whole bunch of other modes. Going back to Flow, if you don't like the preset colors, click on that and you can customize it however you like. So to customize it, click on that, select a color, click on the next one, select a color, and so on. That's not a good color, I want it colorful. Super duper colorful. And so on. Down here, you can have the lights, for example, go to rhythm. So now whenever I talk, the lights are gonna react to my voice. Or you could play some music to this instead of just talking at it. And at the very, very end, you can set a timer. And these other ones, it's the same thing. So whether you pick romantic or game, these ones just react to sound, but it's a little bit different of a light setting depending on which one you pick. I'm pretty satisfied because now I'm gonna have some lights out there with minimal effort. If I have to go out there and hang string lights, it's not gonna happen. It's just gonna be dark. But I'm not a fan of apps. The only complaint I have is I would like to have a remote control with this. Give me the option, just toss it in there, and then no complaints. All right, so that's it. I hope you have a merry, happy Christmas, or if you don't celebrate it, then hopefully you got some time off anyways, and I'll see you guys next year. Toodaloo-doo. Bye.